Hi everybody, this is DIYM and I'm doing another sticker tutorial. I think hopefully it'll be a fun one. It's pretty straightforward and easier to do than some of the other ones that I've done. I'll just show you. So this is premium vinyl sticker paper and it's water resistant. It's got a holographic thing going on. I'll show you. So I love this thing that it came with. Velcroed envelope. I'll try to link the product information down below for you guys. It's like a mixed variety, so there's different types of different patterns that will cover your image. I wanted to show you guys basically what we have in this pack, and then I'm going to show you how to laminate. It's a little tricky, so anyways, right off the bat, these guys have like a nice grid on the back, which is I think really helpful when you're mounting things. All right. Okay, that's cool. So this one I think is the snowflakes, or is it just glitter? It might be just glitter. But anyways, it has like a really beautiful sheen to it. This one I think is broken glass. So it's really pretty, right? I think I might actually try to use this snowy one. So I'm just gonna put that aside for now. We have this kind of cool heart one. This one just looks like, doesn't even really seem to have much of a, maybe it has a bit of a shimmer? I don't know. I think it's more of a regular laminate. Yeah, that's so interesting. So there's that. I think there's like 6 different types. Ooh, this one's like a rainbowy kind of one. This one has stars. You sort of see them there. So this is really good if you have some sort of matte paper. So I'm going to put this aside. And I can print up another one of these if this doesn't work out for me, but I'm going to try to do this as best as I can. But basically, I printed up a pattern I did a little while ago, and I just sort of turned it into stickers. I'm going to probably try to turn it this way just because it's a little easier for you guys to see what I'm doing, hopefully. Yeah, so this is my Muppets on bikes pattern, like that movie. There's like a Muppets movie where they're on bikes. I can't remember exactly which one it is now. There's so many different Muppet movies. Can't think of it off the top of my head. I'll just put the information above when I research it and find out and remember. Anyways, I'm gonna put this on its side because it's a little easier to do this here. What I'm gonna do is flip this around and I'm going to peel a little bit of a backing off of here. Sometimes this is hard to do. Ah, here we go. Okay, great. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to peel maybe an inch or two and fold it like that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to, as much as I can, I'm going to try to line up the bottom and the sides. I'm going to press it down like this. And this is actually on the table. I'll cut this off afterwards. So this is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of sticker paper. I saw somebody take a ruler and then they took some felt and then they glued it to a ruler. I'm not going to do that with this ruler. I was going to go to the dollar store and just get like a regular plastic ruler that I could do that to, but I'm going to just get a card. I'm just going to get a Cineplex card here, and I'm going to try to take this flap and sort of slowly move down and try to scrape it on with my card. You can hear it scraping a bit. It's better with a ruler, I think, but whatever, it's okay. It should work. And then just sort of try to get as many bubbles out as you possibly can. And then I'm just going to take some scissors and snip that part. Tape this up. Normally, if things are around the same height as your paper, this is obviously a little bit longer, but if it's like the same height as your paper, you can just put that down on your paper and do the same sort of method. Anyways, isn't that pretty? I think it looks so pretty. And then I can just cut these out and put them on some sort of card or whatever I'd like to do. I'm gonna just cut these out and then I'm gonna come back and I'll show you the results. Here you go. I cut them all out by hand, fussy cut them. I didn't do it too close to the image. I just did a rough cut around that left quite a bit of depth to it. So you can sort of see the holographic around it. You can go closer if you'd like, whatever you'd like to do. Anyways, but yeah, this is really fun. If you're doing paper crafting, you can put that in a scrapbook or make cards with it. You could gift them to people as well. I might just make them into cards because they're pretty decent size. They're about 2 inches around there for this image. So it's nice to embellish something. I love the Muppets. I love Jim Henson. If you guys like the Muppets, at all. If you're into them, if you're a fan, let me know which one's your favorite. Not just of my images or my particular characters that I chose to display, but just let me know if you have a specific favorite. I've got a couple favorites. Obviously, of these ones, it's hard to say because I kind of love all of them. My husband really loves Rolf. That's his favorite. I really love all of these guys, honestly, every single one of them. But out of my favorite Muppets in general, I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but there was a thing called the Jim Henson Hour back in the 90s. Before Jim Henson passed away, there was a really beautiful giant lion puppet that he made. It looks kind of like a lion that would be on the library step, like the one in Ghostbusters. It was like this beautiful white lion with blue eyes that I thought was absolutely amazing and just gorgeous. I love the Muppets, I love Fraggles, Sesame Street, all that Labyrinth, the Dark Crystal, all that cool stuff, even the dark stuff like that. I just feel like he had a really cool imagination, a really cool sense of humor. And I think that these turned out really, really cute, and they kind of capture the magic of puppetry or movies or just puppets riding on bikes. I still don't even think I know how they did it with wires, I think. But anyways, they just always did the coolest special effects. Now I've applied cool special effect to these stickers. I almost forgot. Just in case you guys run into some issues, I just sort of wanted to talk about what can potentially happen because mine actually turned out pretty well, surprisingly. But I just wanted to tell you what can potentially happen if things don't go as smoothly as it happened for me. As I said, try to take things as slowly as possible when you're sort of smoothing things out. Using a ruler with some felt might actually help as well. This seemed to do the trick, go over it kind of like a squeegee. But yeah, so what can happen is folds or bubbles can happen, which can ruin and distort a whole project that you're doing. So just, again, go as slow as you can. If you get bubbles, it's not normally the end of the world. Wrinkles are probably the worst when things overlap a little bit. It's harder to get that out and that thing might be destroyed. Hopefully when you make stickers, you can print up a bunch more just in case. Or if you're making embellishments too, you don't have to make stickers necessarily with this method. So bubbles, what you could do is take like a pin and you poke a hole and you can try to smooth it out. If you cut things like this, it's a little bit easier to smooth things out too, especially if the bubble is near the edge. You can just sort of smooth things out that way. But you can also poke a little hole and just try to smooth things out, let the air out of it and try to smooth things out that way. Hopefully that helps a little bit with anybody who has some difficulty with this, because this is not as smooth a process sometimes as I just made it look. Okay, I just wanted to tell you guys, and hopefully that was helpful in some way. And I really, really hope you guys enjoyed that video tutorial, and hopefully that's a little easier for you guys to figure out how to not only just decorate stickers, but just cold laminating them, making them a lot sturdier. These are actually fairly thin stickers that I'm using. Anyways, I think that these are really, really cute. I really love them. I think Miss Piggy's probably my favorite, to be honest with you. Can't even really see it because it's so small, but it took me a while to do her little flower pattern on her dress. I absolutely love her cute little frilly dress that she has and her little purple gloves. It's just really cute. And I made her have a pink bike. I wanted to put flowers and stuff in it, but you can always embellish and make tiny little flowers on here as well. Anyways, I thought that this would be really, really cool for just quickly putting on a card. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. And hopefully I'll see you guys next time. All right, take care guys. Have a good one. Bye!